Hi, I'm Dadepapi, and today I want to show you how I removed a radiator out of my IS300. Okay, first you want to take off the radiator cap. 10mm bolt to relieve these brackets that hold down the radiator. 10mm bolt to remove the intake. Then you want to remove the radiator hose and this air ducts. Then you want to unplug the fans. There's two wires you want to unplug. And then you have to move the intake box. Water's going to come out, so since I already did it, it's not going to be that bad. You're going to want to put a rag on top of your timing belt and stuff because it's going to leak. You want to use a 10mm socket to remove these bolts for the intake box. After you unbolt all the bolts, just move it out of the way so you don't get a cold by unplugging it. Okay, now that's out the way, there's a few things we have to unplug underneath the radiator. Okay, here you're going to want to drain out the fluids. Transmission oil and antifreeze is going to come out. Here, there's an in and out for the automatic transmission fluid to get cooled. Then there's a plug you're going to want to unplug for the sensor. And then you want to remove the fat radiator hose, which is for the water, and then there's another automatic transmission hose that you have to remove. Now with all of that disconnected, everything's out of the way, just pull it out. I hope this helps you to like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. These radiators are known for cracking right here from overheating over time.